do you know this event?
We go to most of the events because we support the democracy. She's my girlfriend, so we go together.
And where did you went to before? Where did you go?
From home and in MBK.
Yeah, the Bangkok
Art Museum.
You two go together?
Yes.
Also at art museum. And how do you feel about the situation right now?
What?
How do you feel about the situation in Thailand today?
I think it's very sad because I feel like Thailand postponed its like taking it next step by maybe 5 or 10 years now because of this conflict. You will keep having a conflict against each other for maybe 5 more years until you can finally move on and become the real democracy. So I don't want to get into the details that much, but I just think it's sad that you like postpone your development as a democracy for maybe 5-10 more years just because of this discussion you're having right now.
Yeah. And do you think lighting a candle can help anything?
I think that it can bring awareness that maybe there's not only two sides, maybe it's not only red and yellow, and maybe you can show that normal people maybe want something more than just vaccine or support. Maybe it's about something else like democracy and the system in general.
Thank you.
Thank you.